Hi, in this lecture I'm going to show you a little handy plugin that I have been using for years, and this little plugin makes it really easy to take a backup of your database. The main drawback with this plugin is that you can't actually take a backup of the rest of your files, the ones that are stored on your web host, but you are only going to take a backup of your database. This is worth mentioning in case you miss it out. Anyway, in order to locate this plugin, we need to go over to plugins and click on add new. Here I'm gonna type in wp-db plugin and hit enter. Let's see what happens. Alright, so let's see if we can locate the plugin that we're looking for. I'm not seeing it at the top here, so let's scroll down a little bit. Alright, here it is, wp-db-backup, on-demand backup of your WordPress database. So let's just click on install now, and this should be done in a few seconds. Alright, so the plugin has been installed, so let's just activate it. And as soon as we have activated the plugin, we are going to be able to use it. So in this case, this plugin is located under tools on the left navbar here. Here it is down here, backup. So let's click on it. All right, here we go. So you have the core WordPress tables that are always going to be backed up. And you also may choose to include any of the other following tables. Now, those tables usually belongs to plugins. So I'm not going to touch that because I do not want to mess up my plugins either, in case something unexpected happen and I need to move the site quickly. Down here we have the backup option, so you can basically email your backup or download it to your computer. Usually I just enter my email address down here and click on backup now. Also, you are able to schedule the backups. You can actually schedule the backup to run at least once daily and then be emailed to your email address down here. You can also exclude the tables that we discussed at the top here if you recall. I'm not going to play around with that. I'm just going to leave it per default as it is. So I'm going to just click on download to your computer to illustrate how it works. Let's click backup now, and usually this takes less than a minute. Alright, so it has performed the backup and the file is downloaded to my computer at the bottom left here. So this is basically how we use this plugin to take a backup of your database. Again, this plugin is not going to take a backup of your file stored on your web host, so make sure you remember that. Stay tuned, see you next.